Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a very simple paper airplane using just one sheet of paper. This design is easy, quick and does not require any glue, tape or scissors. So anyone can try it at home without any special tools. Even though the design is simple, the folds are made in a way that helps the airplane stay balanced and fly smoothly and straight in the air. With a good screw and proper balance, it can even fly further than you might expect. This is a basic model, which means you are free to experiment and make your own changes. You can adjust the wings, bend the tips or change the folds to see how it affects the flight. Small changes can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to try something new. This project is perfect for beginners, students and anyone who loves DIY projects, experiments and creative builds. It's a great way to learn about balance, aerodynamics and design in a fun and simple way. If you enjoyed this video and like DIY videos, experiments videos and creative projects videos, don't forget to like this video and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing DIY videos. Your support really helps the channel grow and I will see you in the next video. So best of luck.